Autotek, and today we're in front of this Jeep Wrangler. Now, in the few past years, Jeep decided to put a 3.6-liter V6 engine in these vehicles. Now, if we look at a little bit of Jeep's history, they used the 4-liter straight six until the year 2006, when it could no longer meet K fuel efficiency standards. It was a very much a heritage engine. It'd been around for 60 years. People were a huge fan of it. People were sad when it went away. As a result, Jeep shoehorned a 3.7-liter minivan engine into the Wranglers that was a very common failure engine. The next iteration of Wranglers, they put out the 3.6, known as the Pentastar motor. This is a Mercedes partnership with Chrysler to build this engine. Now, the only downside of this engine is it's very underpowered for the vehicle that it's in. The Jeep Wrangler behind me weighs just over 5,200 pounds. The engine that's in it makes just over 200 horsepower. That 20-to-1 ratio of horsepower to weight means it is a slouch getting up the hill, and that engine has to work hard to keep this thing under power. Additionally, add into the fact that we're here at 5,000 feet in elevation, so we're essentially removing 18% of the oxygen from this engine, so it has to work 18% harder to do the same things it would at sea level. Add on to that folks like to take these up in the mountains, off-roading, take them at extreme high elevations, and now you're working with a vehicle making half its normal power with an already undersized engine. So the reason that we're in front of this guy today is because we're just getting started. We've removed the upper intake manifold, but we're actually removing the cylinder heads from this vehicle. One common failure of this 3.6 Pentastar engine is the head gasket failure. So unfortunately for this vehicle, it got hot as a result of being worked hard, and the head gasket physically ruptured, allowing coolant and oil to mix and leak out of the engine. The nice thing is, the repair can be done in-house. We have all the machining necessary to make it happen in a timely fashion, and we can get these back on the road for you with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, typically in 2 to 3 days. So if you've got a concern about your Jeep Wrangler or any other vehicle with a Pentastar engine, whether it's a Dodge Ram cargo van, a Chrysler Town & Country, you name it, we can take care of it here. If you've got concerns about yours, you've been scared away by an expensive price at somewhere else for it, or you just want to make sure that yours doesn't end up needing these types of repairs, come and see us here at Autotek. We can give you some good suggestions and good advice how to keep yours out of the bay, or if it's time for the repair, we can show you how to make sure it doesn't come back again. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon.